Dear students, in the last section we have seen requirement engineering and process steps in the requirement engineering. In this section we will see types of requirements. So there are different types of requirements: known requirement, unknown requirement and undreamed requirement. Okay. So what is known requirement? Known requirement means something a stakeholder believes to be implemented. Means the developer can implement that requirements. Unknown requirement means forgotten by the stakeholder because they are not needed right now, but they need afterwards, or that is needed by the another stakeholder. Undreamed requirement means stakeholder may not able to think of new requirement due to limited domain knowledge. So these are the types of requirement: known, unknown and undreamed. The term stakeholder is used to refer anyone who may have some direct or indirect influence on the system requirements. So your stakeholders may be the end users, it may be a requirement engineer, or it may be a developer, it may be a tester, and everyone else in an organization who will be affected by it. So a known, unknown and undreamed requirement may be a functional requirement or non-functional requirement. So now we will see what is functional requirement and what is non-functional requirement. So functional requirements are related to the expectation from the intended software. What software has to do. They are also called as the product features. Sometimes functional requirement may also specify what the software should not do. So this functional requirement specify what the software has to do and what the software should not do. Okay. Non-functional requirements are mostly quality requirements that stipulate how well the software does what it has to do. Non-functional requirements are important for the users as well as it is important for the developers. So the non-functional requirements which is important for the users are performance, then availability, reliability, usability and flexibility. And non-functional requirements for developers are maintainability, portability and testability. So for users, the non-functional requirement are availability, reliability, usability and flexibility. For the developers, these are maintainability, portability and testability. The functional requirements are directly related to the customer expectations and are essential for the acceptance of the product. However, non-functional requirements may make the customer happy and satisfied. If the non-functional requirements are given by the software, then the customer may happy and satisfied. These requirements, non-functional requirements are important for the success of any product. But sometimes we cannot make the distinction between the functional and non-functional requirements. For example, if you want to develop the secure security system, then in that case the security is functional requirement as well as it is a non-functional requirement. So in that case we cannot distinguish between the functional and non-functional requirements. Okay. So these are the types of requirements: known, unknown and undreamed, and functional and non-functional requirement. Thank you so much.